Good morning. So I've decided to come on a ride to work. I don't usually commute to work because I don't keep my bike at home. I keep my bike further away from work than where I live. So it just kind of seems pointless to be like coming back on myself to get my bike to go to work. But I have done it today because I wanted to go out on it this afternoon anyway. So it just saves me coming all the way back over here. And I've got an appointment straight after work, so I can just go straight there on my bike. So I'm going to do run a few errands basically this afternoon. Yeah. You didn't want to say morning to me. So I am probably going to be late. It took so much longer. It always takes so much longer than I ever would imagine, even though I always do it, to get ready. Like all the gear, and now like all my GoPro stuff, and I had to put my muffler on. Yeah, it takes ages. So this afternoon I need to, so at Triumph we only work half days on a Friday, although it's not really half a day because you do the extra hour in the week. So I do 9 hours Monday to Thursday, finish at 12:30 on Friday. McDonald's smells nice. So yeah, this afternoon I need to go to my appointment in Stoke Golding, and then what else do I need to do? Oh yeah, I wanted to go look at some gloves, some heated gloves, because my brother has kindly offered to buy me some for my birthday. I think the hint might have worked in my last video. So yeah, that's very nice of him. We're a bit tight usually. We don't usually buy each other birthday presents or Christmas presents because we just think we've got enough people to buy for. Like, we're cool without getting an extra gift from each other. So yeah, it's nice that he's offered. It is my 30th, to be fair. So that's my work day done. Now I'm off to Stoke Golding for an appointment. I'm not exactly sure where it is, but I've had a look on Google Maps and I think I can probably find it.
I can see every house number apart from the one I'm actually looking for. I actually hate doing U-turns, but it's good practice. I just get really scared I'm going to stall and drop my bike. But the more practice, the better I'm going to get. That's the second cat that's run in front of me this week. Okay, that's my beauty errand done. I just need to nip home and drop my laptop off because I've got it in an actual laptop bag that goes on your shoulder. I've just wrapped it round me. It's not the most safe or comfortable, so yeah, I'll do that, and then I'm off to Moto Central, which is a motorbike shop for accessories and clothing. I'm going to look for some heated gloves.
Need to let some air into this bad boy. Have you got heated gloves?
Yes, we have. So, we've got the Paragon 6 gloves.
Okay.
They do a ladies version.
Yeah.
We don't have them in stock in store, but I've definitely seen them online, so that might be worth getting in. You could just try a really small man's glove. Normally it's just the width of the hand and sometimes finger length.
Okay.
And then we've got the Alpine Star ones. They don't do an Alpine Star ladies heated glove.
Okay.
There's a couple of other gloves. Racer do heated gloves, and they do a ladies specific glove, but we don't have them in stock.
Okay.
We just get them into request or order. HT series, they do 3, 5 and 7. The 3 is like a really short Yeah, short glove.
Yeah.
The 5 has got a little bit of a gauntlet, and the 7 is like the proper winter one.
Oh, okay.
But you could try.
Yeah, kind of.
That's large. You probably know what you're going with. Got more of these out the back as well. Just
294.
they might be a little bit cheaper online, but yes,
okay.
they 264, I think. Let me just double check.
Okay.
If we've got extra online, and that will
Thank you.
tell me how much they are. Would you want a bigger glove, shorter glove?
Shorter, probably, yeah.
Okay, let's have a look at the 3s then. We've got no small, mediums, large.
In stock here?
Yes, we've got medium in stock, but not the smalls.
Could I try the medium one?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
The storage stand, when you put it down, it locks so well roll forward. You know what I mean? So the clutch. That's it, but over a bad wrist there, I've got off road, it's still doing me a bit.
Yeah, that is quite like heavy.
It is.
So like mine's a lot.
Sort it up, but don't it's keyless rolling.
Thank you. Yeah, we're going to go and test drive one next weekend.
See, they've got the new Sportsters out, which you're better off with your trying, I can tell you.
Yeah,
they're
no.
rubbish. They look there, they're proper Harleys.
Since November last year.
Alright.
Yeah, it's good actually, yeah.
We had a tour. Had a tour there.
Oh yeah.
Good, yeah. They're stopping tours at the minute, though, ain't they?
Have they?
Yeah. Well, we had someone come down from Scotland because we were on an Airbnb
Okay.
in Hinckley.
Yeah.
And he come round for the tour. And I said, how was the tour? He said, they've stopped it till, I think they're starting again October.
Oh.
So they didn't tell me neither, so he come all the way from Scotland. I couldn't go on it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You can still go and look around, can't you?
Yeah, yeah, the museum, yeah. Anyway. Okay, cheers.
See ya. She's very popular today.
This is where I got on the motorway and I realised I hadn't secured the GoPro properly on my chin, so every lifesaver I did, it was just getting knocked further and further down my helmet, to the point where when I stop at a roundabout in the minute, I just went to adjust it with my hand and it just fell off into my hand, and then I had to figure out what to do with it to carry on riding, and I was getting severely abused by the road users. So luckily my GoPro survived clinging onto the phone mount for the rest of the journey. Got everything I needed to do done at Fosse Park, and now I'm taking my bike home.